बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। Assalamu alaikum class. In the previous lectures about the cephalosporins, we have discussed the mechanism of action, comparison with penicillins, and also some individual compounds with SAR and modifications at different positions. If we want to conclude it, we can say that we have got first generation cephalosporins. These first generation cephalosporins are highly active against gram positive but less active against gram negative. These include cephalaxin, available as Ceflex, or commercial name is Ceflex. Second one is cephadroxil. Interestingly, cephalaxin and cephadroxil have got the side chain which is same as that of ampicillin and amoxicillin, while the cephadine, Velocef, available as Velocef, it is chemically related to cephalaxin. There is a partial modification or partially hydrogenated double bonds, or we have got two double bonds in the side chain. Cephalothin having thiophene in the side chain, available as Keflin. Kefazolin, available as Kefzol, have got the tetrazoyl methylene ring or tetrazole ring in the side chain. The second generation include the compounds which are active against or highly active against gram negative and less active against gram positive. They are cefaclor, cefamandole, cefuroxime or Zinacef, cephaloridine, cefatazidine are a few more compounds. Cefatazidine also active against Pseudomonas aeruginosa. The third generation compounds are less active against gram positive as compared to first generation, but have expanded spectrum of activity against gram negative organisms. Cefotoxime, ceftriaxone, ceftriaxone, ceftazidine, cefoperazone, cefuroxime acetyl, cefoxitin, ceftazidine are the examples of these compounds. They may have got alkoxy immunogroup that is more polar group, have got the propionic acid, and hence they are broad spectrum antibiotic. The fourth generation include the cephalosporin and cefepime, but we are dealing it in another way. Or these compounds, the last ones are included under the head of anti-pseudomonal compounds. Mostly they have got cephalosporins, but also few penicillins. Pseudomonas aeruginosa are the important compounds which represent a special public health problems. They develop resistance against antibiotics, including beta-lactams. Cephalosporin, moxalactam, cefotoxime, ceftriaxone, ceftazidime are the few compounds active against Pseudomonas. The penicillins, carbamazepine, ticarcillin, piperacillin are also active against Pseudomonas. And there is one more thing which is very, very interesting, and that should be mentioned here, that the penicillins which we have just named have got the carboxy group and N-acyl urido group are included in the acyl urido penicillin. Already we have discussed that one. In the same way, moxolactam, cefoperazone also have got carboxy and N-acyl urido groups. These groups will help to penetrate the cell envelope of Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Unfortunately, the moxolactam, cefoperazone, or more precisely, instead of moxolactam, we can say cefoperazone and cefotoxime, which have got the or develop the resistance against Pseudomonas aeruginosa. One thing which is also related but was left was the monocyclic beta lactams. Those are also termed as monobactams. They have got only one ring, that is beta lactam, or they have not got the fused ring system. They are active almost entirely against gram-negative bacteria, but the only clinically available compound is astrionam. Astrionam. By these examples, we can conclude the lectures of cephalosporin. In the next, we are going to take the tetracyclines, inshallah. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.